Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. You know how we do on this channel. We dive right on in to not waste anyone's time. Just know the links if you're interested in applying. The link to this page that I'm sharing is in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the Carnival Cruise Lines. Now, they are hiring a email booked guest specialist. This is remote in the United States, but they are basically paying someone to send out emails to the guest. It says the email booked guest specialist oversees the pre-cruise digital guest communication programs for the guests that are booked on a cruise. You might be communicating things such as shore excursions, bars, spa treatments, dining, retail, guest support, entertainment awareness initiatives. You'll be coordinating with the key stakeholders from the guest revenue and operations department as well as the booked guest merchandising team to strategize, prioritize, and implement the email notification program for the guests that are booked on the cruise. You'll oversee the outbound email and app notifications, leveraging the in-house creative development and operations teams. You'll also run some reporting and analyze the metrics of the emails that are sent out, including the traffic, revenue, and operational metrics. You'll provide the reporting and the program metrics to the internal stakeholders. So that means how many people clicked on links that were in the emails that were sent out? Did people book extra shore excursions for the cruise? Did they make reservations for dinner? All kinds of things like that. You can see how well the emails are performing. Now, as far as what they are looking for, they prefer somebody who has a bachelor's degree in some kind of marketing, but if you've got experience, that is not required. They do want somebody who's 2 years experience either in marketing or some kind of email communications. Of course, you have to have great communication skills. You have to have a passion for email and customer communication. You have to understand creative processes so that you can implement creative email programs. You have to have an excellent sense of humor, and of course you have to be good with those Microsoft Office programs like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all the things. If you're great with communication and email though, they're paying really well for this position. Pay is anywhere from $51,600 a year all the way up to $75,300 a year. Of course, they offer a benefit package that includes the standard medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.